MTC's nearly dry. Get serious, Crimson.
아니야. 우마. Oh. Alright, little pussycat. Go mommy, go mommy.
Hardcore search and destroy. Engagement windows open. Go, go, go!
Never mind.
Two of them died, bro.
2v2. What's left? Oh, to your left inside the doorway.
Focus, focus, focus. Damn it.
He was in your left in the doorway. He was rushing you.
Oh my god. Zero.
He saw you
Zach,
when you
nobody
came
cares.
out the garage. He saw you when you came out the garage and his teammate was out
Zach,
the garage.
you smell like a deviled egg. Shut up.
I'm sorry, did I egg? Oh wait, it's not your problem. So mind your business, right?
Yeah, don't worry about
Good
what
job.
the enemy said.
Bring that devil little egg ass over here.
Wow.
Hardcore search and destroy.
This motherfucker was good.
Remind the fugitives that actions have consequences.
Go on the A side.
Throwing frag.
Bomb plant B, please. Bomb has a enemy on him, I believe.
We got B on lock.
Yeah, B is free, so why is Bomb at A? Oh, Bomb died over there.
Bomb going down.
Bomb on B.
Bomb active.
Bomb is
Cover
on
it,
B.
cover
Get to B.
Rider, coming in.
Right, you're right. Right. Goddamn.
No way,
Damn.
bro.
He's on bomb. It's on left.
Oh.
1v3.
Oh my god.
Hostiles have defused.
He's on bomb. Bomb is me.
I was not expecting that.
Yeah, he was gonna lie. He cooked the shit out of that.
Stop requesting the bomb to be playing and you can nut the tank.
Hardcore search and destroy. Work quick and clean. No witnesses. Put this to bed.
Leprechaun.
Vegan,
He
do
said,
this
oh.
shit.
Oh. My aim was fucking horrible.
Damn. Sometimes it be like that.
Yeah, my aim was just bad, bro. Okay, so I ain't gonna say this win or lose. I definitely need this match to hurry up. I gotta go pick up drugs and then go about my day. 'Cause I got
Oh shit! What drugs you getting? You gonna share? Or
Marijuana.
you just holding them?
marijuana.
What?
I ain't sharing with his ass at least.
Destroy the objective.
Uh-huh. Defend real strong, bro. Not worry about playing for now. Wait.
Oh my god. He's in the fucking corner. Who was back there on A side with me?
Planting the bomb.
Planting bomb on A. I don't give a fuck what you're doing, but the A gotta defend. Oh my god, are you serious? Right there on bomb, right now!
Oh
Yeah,
yeah, you
yeah.
there? Peekaboo.
Fuck yeah.
Shoot that boy.
Let's go. Nice team. Nice team. We can come back in this shit.
Hardcore search.
What is he chewing on? Hopefully just his thumb.
Many of them are overpaying by thousands of dollars a year. These GLP-1
Come on,
Oh,
y'all.
yeah,
Come
here
on,
it is.
y'all.
weight loss and more may not always be covered by your
Who's
insurance,
echoing?
but GoodRx can help.
Focus.
Helps you save every month on prescriptions at over 70,000 pharmacies nationwide. Best of all, it's free to use. Check GoodRx to save on GLP-1s. Just go to GoodRx.com/GLP.
Focus,
That's
bro.
GoodRx.com/GLP. GoodRx is not insurance, but can be used instead of insurance, including Medicare
I think
and
we're
other
going to
federally
B.
funded programs.
Yeah. There we go.
You're so lame.
Hostile shooter.
Hey, middle. Coming in the middle room.
Fuck. This pussy laying down.
No.
Bro, this pussy laying down at the doorway.
Time short. Put your head down and secure
Then
the
if you
target.
go to the left, to your right.
Not your best.
Oh.
Clean it up.
I was like, yeah, you look, but you move too fast, so you probably didn't see him, but
Oh,
who's the punk ass laying down in the doorway?
that's crazy. It's like a free country.
Oh, my fault. Yeah, it's free country, you still free to be a pussy. So, do you?
Yeah.
Go ahead, do this.
You need more marijuana.
Oh, that's what it is.
That's what it is.
So I got fucking hit marker. Bro, how I get a hit marker when using the same gun, bro? Got the fire?
What the fuck going on, bro? Prep the bomb, bro. Hi, good morning. How many left?
Put your head down and close this out.
Oh my god, there's another one. There's one. I buy pizza, please.
That turtle's fucking on
marijuana. Spider-Man shoes, Spider-Man shoes, roll. Spider-Man shoes, roll, Spider-Man shoes, roll. Oh, Spider-Man shoes, Spider-Man shoes, roll. Nah.
Yeah. Okay. What's going on?
Sounds just like the original, but better.
Yeah. Right? Oh, man.
Is that just like the original? Or what?
Sunrise all in your eyes, 808 to the 691, and we ball. Damn right, we ball with that kid safe flight on the back. We take it and we on. We on. We on. We
Damn, I saw that bitch. I should have kept you alive for a second. I saw that girl run by.
Bottom of satellite.
You can't put a price on well-being. That said, in-person therapy can cost from $100 to $250 per session.
One is over there laying down on the other side of the truck.
Therapy can save you up to 50% per session.
And there's Spawn.
Because wellness should be affordable, not a luxury. With 30,000 therapists,
Gorilla
has helped over 5 million people.
What? He was just crawling right there.
Man. For 10% off your first month of online therapy. BetterHelp.com/pressplay. Your mental health is worth it.
Not much time left. Put this to bed.
Some people just know they can save hundreds on car insurance by checking all
3 inches, so it's like...
Yeah, go for it.
Really, I can't pass it.
There's nothing wrong with that.
That's what I'm saying. Pass as a female like you.
I'm not gonna lie, one of my favorite games is finding like the hottest chain.
Alright, dude, I'm gonna have to mute you, man. Especially listen to some good shit like that. Fuck.
Yeah, I'm playing free. Okay, good. I don't even know if they're playing or not. That's not gonna show my triple kill? Come on. I told you I'd step it up a little bit. One on A. Did I kill you with that? Oh no, I got them. I'm good. Let me get my lucky charms or whatever the fuck these things are.
You're on a roll, Crimson.
Go wash. Yo, schwash. Oh, wash, oh, schwash. Gotta wash it. Don't get beady. Wash it, schwash it.
I got a I think it is that. There's one on A. Nah, you got me. It's pushing up towards like the main base.
Show me something good, got me put her in position. From the back, smacking like I'm Will Smith. Promise hold me down, pay it back like I'm Ocean. Play it smooth, I be riding with no caution. The head in my lap, got me swerving like I'm sipping. I ain't no position, be my guiding light like baby girl, you chosen. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, que sabor de luna. De neto. Sabe todo, que sabor de luna.
Oh shit!
What are you doing dancing?
I don't know, I was just hearing that song. And I just felt it. My back is all hunched over and everything.
That one dude just ran through 3 of us at the same time.
You're a kill team of 1.
Bro, I opened that door and just got there. That was wild.
Work your fragments. The enemy's planted the bomb.
Shaita.
Go, go, go! Bomb plant in progress. Bomb active.
What would you do if your online store converted 36% more shoppers? You could take 36% more vacation.
Another pina colada? Yes, please.
Open a new retail location with 36% more square feet.
Fantastic.
Hire 36% more help.
You're hired and you're hired.
Shopify has the world's best converting checkout, up to 36% better than other e-commerce platforms. What you do with those extra sales is up to you. Switch to Shopify today at shopify.com/SoundCloud and get a $1 trial. Shopify.com/SoundCloud.
What are you saying?
You don't wanna talk to me, but me I don't know what's in there your mind, and I know you want a piece of me. You want a piece of me. I'ma know they do like this, so calm down.
Oh,
take your time.
easy, but easy, we.
My shawty, I've been waiting all night. I've been waiting all night, and day. I've been waiting for you. I'm ready for you, baby. I don't know. I've been waiting all night. I've been waiting all night, all day. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. So fire down, fire down. See sure, baby, fire down. I'm a fire
Why is this app taking forever to run?
I've been waiting for you, baby, I know it. I've been waiting all night. I've been waiting all night, I'm there. I'm ready for you. Yeah, can you c'est fait pas pour moi. Je vois des tirs de voix, c'est pas pour moi. You be very fine girl, and I can't doubt that. See your size, and we pull up in the fight canvas. Why? Make I no lie, me I don't love her. Mommy catfish, I be one hot dog. If you see close from my clothes comfort. Show up my name, you would do not one couple. I did your back, my fault. Baby, my bedroom. Show my rough chest meet if you're far well. Now you be the stanza for my anthem. Say this love on, I'm a baby like echo. Oh, this problem, I'm a fire. Go straight to the point, baby, my pilot. Trust me, babe, if I ain't gonna matter if I don't get pushed. You sit down and fire down, fire down. Cause it's your baby, fire down. Baby, fire down, fire down. Cause it's your baby, fire down. No,
Bomb going down. Bomb is armed. You made it look easy, Crimson.
My sister just got here though. What am I supposed to do? God.
Get ready to blow. I'm about to start this shit off. Let none of you suckers know. When I'm coming out with the green inside my fire, we roll. We'll show the craziest part right up inside Shot Town. Say ho. When I bust my
flow. Skate ring days. Falling down, I'm going on my wings. Tiger's on his way home. That's about to get used though. Yeah, what?
So you know, till all of your speakers blow. Bass sticking up so high like weed. We need not to smoke the seed. These are the moment men don't want. We want and want to ride. Spit my rhyme about my life. We stand on my seat tonight. Remember, so you know, till all of your speakers blow. Bass sticking up so high like weed. We need not to smoke the seed. Off my game one time, I rhyme my lyrics. Reincarnation sends me back to live this life. With my rhyme exploring universe the kingdom of Galilee. My peeps, I'm really feeling the can't replace the cowboy stay so best be on your way to hate. Move up on ahead and get the rocks up all you need. Playing along with the game of the world.
Dude, jamming with that music, bro.
These are the moment men don't want and want to ride. Spin my rhyme about my life on this end.
Pacify the AO.
If we shoot you again, I start from going, but yo, I got
didn't mean to, bro. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to, Pyro. I didn't mean to.
You be very fine girl, and I can't doubt that. See your size and pull up in the fight canvas. Why? Make a no lie, me I don't love her. Mommy catfish, I be one hot dog. If you see close for my clothes on board, show I manage, you do not want couple. I did your back, my fault, baby my beru. Show my rub chest me, see your back well. Now you be the stanza for my anthem. Say this love what, mommy family love echo. Only problem, try my fire. Go straight to the point, baby my pilot. Trust me, babe, if I ain't gonna matter if I don't get pushed. You sit down in the fire. Fire down, fire down. Cause you show, baby, fire down. Baby, fire down, fire down. Cause you show, baby, fire down. No, 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 trying to see which way to go. I said double K. Watch me. I only fought with another. Popped out 4D with my brothers. Ain't no cap, came from the gutter. Got this chop, really gon' cut it. Came from the bottom, all young and on top. Came a long way from serving.
There you are. Enemy
One fighter left. Eliminate them.
But a nigga wanna act up shot, guess I gotta pop shit. He still from the op, do shit for the op, nigga know he a motherfucking op, bitch. He ain't down for the shit, gotta watch my six, nigga straight gay. Tryna hop on dick, got the chillin' this bitch, I'm feeling myself, fuck feelings, I ain't with the same shit. Nigga, you know what I bang. Came up from the jungle with the realest where I hang. If you niggas got a problem, I'ma let the Draco sing. Run it up for the team, and I put it on game. I'ma put it on game. Stay on my bitch, but I keep it on the low. Yeah, I got some paper, but I need me some more. Watch me to try to see which way to go. All my nigga Todd said double cup, you get me. Watch me, yeah, said it, me, these bitches. I got no time for these snakes and these rats and these fucking snitches. Hold on, steady dripping on the highway, bitching on the net. I'm not the same bitch, I get it in the bag. Told her give me love, but she give me that. Sticky with it, nigga, know I never next. Hold it down, got it drip, drop, drip it. I ain't gotta try no bitch, I'm only for the fuck, gotta give it 10. On my toe, never fuck, flip it, make it bang. Fuck around, get it, shame. Run to a guy, smoke, don't do a double take, he flipped out here with a wrench, he want smoke off back, bro, lit that, got a triple thing, I ain't wanna run it back. I only fought with another, popped out 4D with my brothers, ain't no captain, came from the gutter, got this chop, came from the bottom, all young and on top, came a long way from serving on the rock, all young nigga gotta duck them pop, why everybody tryna get that drop?
Defend the objective.
Baby, you're just baby, you're when you see it, they say you.
To the end of time, to the end of time. So, what do you do outside of Capital One Cafe? Baby, no fees on checking. Overdraft fees help me sleep at night. What's in your world?
Nadie, para.
Shot's good. Take that asshole down. MTC's in the red. It's now or never. That sloppy shit won't cut it forever. Hardcore search and destroy. You want to clear your name? This is where it happens. Hostile shooter. One enemy standing. Find him. End him. Enemy charges set. Disarming the bomb. Bomb deactivated. Yeah, good shit, Flash. Now get out there and finish this. Bye-bye. search and destroy. Eliminate the objective.
Crack thrown. Enemy attack grenade.
Smoke them. One off the left. Take that asshole down. Round to the rough. Hot shit. Hardcore search and destroy. Dig in and defend the objective. TACOM, launch a UAV. Weaver authorizing Watchdog Kilo operation. Hostiles have planted the bomb. Hostile gone. Deactivating the bomb. We're defusing the bomb. Not good enough, Black Ops. Find another way. Hardcore search and destroy. Guns up, destroy the objective. Bomb plane in progress. Bomb active. Only one enemy standing. Find him. End him. Area's clear. Get what we came for next time. Do better. Hardcore search and destroy. Let them have it, Black Ops.
Head for my waypoint. Enemy target confirmed.
One hostile left. Take that asshole. Battles and wars. This shit's far from over. Take the objective.
Shoot, 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 shoot.
Bomb going down. Bomb is armed. Only one enemy standing. Find him. End him.
Mission accomplished. We are heading back to base.
Scuffy.
Guns up. Destroy the objective. Bomb plan in progress. The bomb has been planted. Hostiles down. Not bad, people. There's room for improvement. Hardcore search and destroy. Time to get our hands dirty, Black Ops. Get to work. They're gearing up for a final push. Hope you left some in the tank. The enemy's planted the bomb. Search and destroy. Eliminate the objective. Time's not on our side. Finish him. One hostile left. Take that asshole down. Area's clear. Do what we came for. Next time, do better. Search and destroy. Weapons free, people. Lay some hate on them. Setting rally point. Clock's ticking, Black Ops. Close this shit down. Enemy device is set. Underway. Not good enough, Black Ops. Find another way. Assume all contacts are hostile. MTC's in the red. It's now or never.
Foot mobile.
So they knocked you on your ass. So what are you gonna do about it? Hardcore search and destroy. Protect the objectives. Clock's ticking, Black Ops. Close this shit down. Only one enemy standing. Find them. End them. They may be assholes, but they ain't cowards. Get ready for a fight. Hardcore search and destroy. Guns up. Destroy the objective. Setting up the bomb. Bomb active. One off the left. Take that asshole down.
Location marked.
It's a start, but we ain't done yet. Lock it down. Hardcore search and destroy.
Angel. Archangel going hot.
Only one enemy standing. Find them. End them. We've taken the last 3 rounds. Hardcore search and destroy. Teach those Defend the objective.
Hostile troops. Target down.
One hostile left. Take that asshole down. They're gearing up for a final push. Hope you left some in the tank. Enemy UAV inbound.
Stand drone.